case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In a legal case that turned on commitments and consequences, the New York Supreme Court Appellate Division upheld a ruling favoring a property owner over a contractor. Based on a contract, American Standard Inc. had entrusted Harold Schectman et al., a demolition and excavating contractor, with the responsibility to demolish and clear structures from their 26-acre property in Tonawanda, previously housing an iron manufacturing plant. However, the owners claimed that the contractor failed to fully honor the agreement. The crux of the dispute laid in the grading and removal tasks, where the contractor, according to the owners, fell short of their obligations. Contrary to the contract's stipulations, all structures, including those lying a foot below the specified grade lines, were not cleared. In response, the contractor appealed the decision, pointing towards a disproportionate ratio between the cost of completion and the benefit it would yield. The primary argument proposed was that the damages should be quantified by the decrease in property value, not the cost of completion. The court of law, however, ruled otherwise. In its judgment, it declared that the cost of completion served as the rightful measure of damage. Noting the failed obligations of the contractor and the subsequent loss suffered by the owners, the court awarded $90,000 in damages to the plaintiffs. The contractor's appeal was thus rejected, confirming that incomplete work, regardless of its potential impact on property value, warrants complete compensation. In the case of a breach of agreement, it reiterates, the damage must account for the direct and immediate consequence, mirroring the expectations at the time of the contract signing. The court's decision ultimately upheld the belief that contractual integrity should always be preserved, particularly in cases where work is left incomplete. The court's decision ultimately upheld the belief that contractual integrity should always be preserved, particularly in cases where work is left incomplete.
Case briefs and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.